Just changed the starter motor over on a 08 Ford Territory. Barra engine, much the same as the Falcons, I guess. So all you need is 13mm socket, 10mm for the battery, and you want that extension. So, where is it? There it is there, the new one. So you got a bolt here and a bolt behind it. So if you use this, put your 13mm socket on it and just go in behind patiently. See better. So go in behind it, get that behind it with your socket on it, and just feel around for the nut, for the bolt, sorry. And you feel it. And do the same putting it on. I just put a bit of blue tack in the socket to hold the bolt in, and just felt around behind it with this fella until I found the hole, got it in. It's a little bit tricky, I won't lie, that back bolt. Patience, you'll get there. It's not that hard. So let's see, we've got the new one in. See if she starts. Otherwise you disconnect the battery and play in with that sort of thing. So we just connect it back up again. So now we have all the battery connected back up. Just a Barra, the Ford Territory. So now for the tests. Hopefully it was just a starter motor. Ah, lovely. Well for that. There you have it. How you do the starter motor. Now he's trying to go from the top because he just won't get it. Go from underneath. 13mm socket extension. That's all you need, and a bit of patience. I'm no mechanic, but mechanical minded, so anyone else out there mechanical minded should be able to do the same thing. And it'd be the same on the Falcon engines too. The Barra, on the left hand side, 13mm socket. Don't forget to disconnect your battery. Job done. Ciao.